Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all doing well. Let us start today's session. Date 19/9/2020. Class is grade 2. Subject is science. Topic we are going to discuss is features of living things. Last class, what we have discussed, children? We discussed about living things, characteristics, and how to identify the living things, right? Then today's session we will see about the features of living things. In the last class we have discussed around two features of living things, that is all living things move and all living things grow. You all knowing that living things will move from one place to other without any help. Correct? We human beings also will move. Animals, cat, dog, these also will move on their own without any help. But non-living things, what about non-living things? They cannot move themselves, correct? Your pencil, books, table, is it can move? No, right? So those are the non-living things. But living things will move. Next is all living things grow. We are growing every day, correct? We are not in the same height before what we are every day, from baby to boy, boy to man, from small plant to big plant, a small baby kitten to a big cat. We are growing every day. The living thing shows growth. Next thing is, next feature is, let us discuss deeply. All living things need food. We all need a food, right? Without a food, is it possible to live? Then how we will get to energy for work? You will walk, you will eat. From morning to evening, you will be doing some work, correct? Some activities. For that, how we will get energy? We'll get energy by taking the food, correct? Without a food, a man, a human, even the animals, even the plants cannot live. See, you can observe in the picture, a boy is eating the food. Without food, you can live. Is it possible? No. Then, even animals. Give an example, cow. See, it is also taking its own food. Okay, grass. What it will eat? Grass. Okay. Then plants. Girl is watering the plant and it will generate its own food using the sunlight. So all the living things needs a food to grow, to get the energy, to stay alive. Without a food, no living things. Then one more feature is all living things breathe. This you can feel itself. Okay. The man, see the boy is smelling the flower. He is taking inside the breathe. Inside breathe, correct? He is taking inside air. The boy is taking inside air. You can also try this. Smell something. What you have, the incense sticks, flowers. That time what you will do? You will just intake a air, correct? See, observe. You will intake your air. Then this is what called breathing. We will breathe through nose from to lungs. Okay. The animals also breathe through their lungs, some having gills, some having air holes. Okay, there is difference name. Human beings having a lungs. Okay, like that they'll breathe through nose. Even plants also will breathe. Okay, for plants also need a air to live. Okay, all live living things will breathe. Next is all living things reproduce. This is one of the special feature of living things, that living things can reproduce of its own. Human beings give birth to babies. See, a small baby and a mother photo given. Your mother has given birth to you as a small baby. See, one more picture shown. Animals also can give birth. See, the cat given birth to small kitten, then hens. Birds, some of the birds, they'll not give directly birth to a babies. First, it will lay the legs. From that, it will grows into a chick, a small baby. Then even a plants will reproduce. How? How we will see the plants reproduction that you can observe by planting a seed. First, the plant give the seeds to us. Then from the seeds we can grow a plant again. Correct? You can observe, you can plant some seeds in your small pot, and day by day come observe, you can see the growing plant there. Okay, by this we can see the living things will reproduce. Whether your chair can reproduce a small baby, chair will be as it is. How long you will keep at home, it will be as it is. Can it give a birth to other chair? No, right? So only living things has a special character of reproducing. Okay, all the animals, plants, okay, even birds, insects, everything will give a birth to a small baby. Okay, children, understood? This is the end of the lesson 1. Let us see in the next videos the continuing of lesson 2. Okay, ma? Okay. Bye, children. Take care.